I would say that this is probably the highest level of care I've ever experienced.
I can't thank these people enough for the things that they've done for me over the years.
What sets us apart is the fact that we're only orthopedic, so all of the patients that come to our facility are orthopedic patients. We can stay very focused on outcomes and recovery, making sure that orthopedic patients are treated for orthopedic problems.
The advanced features of this facility enhance the care of our patients. Several things is we have a significant number of ORs here where we can accommodate doing most of our patients in this facility.
The mission of Iowa Ortho is to deliver amazing first-class patient care. And having a wonderful facility like this with all the modern equipment to include robotics, navigational device, imaging device helps with the delivery of this wonderful care, which fits into our mission of excellent care for our patients.
So this new facility really aligns with Iowa Ortho's mission to provide advanced care, offering the same-day discharge, offering the latest in technology for patients that really they can't find any other area around Des Moines.
I have been able to see the evolution in orthopedic care. We've gone from a surgery that was done only in the hospital, that typically required several nights in the hospital, to what we have now, which is a surgery that for most patients can be done on an outpatient basis. From the moment the patient comes in the door until they leave, hopefully a few hours later, walking under their own power, putting weight on their brand new hip or their brand new knee, they're going to be able to progress to improvement that we wouldn't have guessed was possible just a few years ago.